Hello, and here it is Tuesday, and I have a few more important announcements for you. First one, of course, is what everybody's concerned about is grades. Usually all the grades are updated by Tuesday at midnight. Week 1 was kind of easy, though, since the only thing you had a grade for was the quiz. The diagnostic, both in the course and in the Connect, that was just no grades for the diagnostic. So that check those grades, only one, and then this week, of course, you have to be graded for the discussion and also your other assignments that you're turning in. So be aware, especially when it comes to the Connect composition. Now, I finally found out what happened with that. I talked to the dealer rep yesterday, and I talked with the supervisor at the help desk for Connect composition. And evidently, they sent out the wrong codes. That's why when most of you went in there and tried to use my code to get into my class, said it didn't exist because you were going into the regular Connect composition, not the one that says Connect composition writing matters. So they're supposed to be making some new codes for you, and as soon as I get them, I will pass those on so you can get into that. Now, if you're in the other Connect composition and haven't done the editing skills test, the diagnostic there, please do it there. The same thing same test they have in the one with writing matters. So go ahead and do the one that's in the Connect composition that you're in, and be sure to do all the questions. There's about 30 or 40 of them there, and I'll be passing those grades on to you. That's still ungraded, but it shows you where you're at when it comes to the mechanical aspects of your writing, punctuation, spelling, grammar, things like that. So do that. Please do that editing skills test. Mail. You'll notice on the main course page here I have a thing that says mail. When I grade your work, either by Dropbox or by the discussion, always send it through your course mail. Now you should also be getting a copy in your regular Bryan Stratton mail as well. But when you come right into the course page, when you log in the first time, I think it says in that mail box, it'll say how many messages you have. So be sure to check that often. And when it comes to my grading, I use Microsoft Word, the latest version, and when I see anything, I make a comment, and it shows up on the side of the paper in like a little red cartoon bubble. Now, at the bottom, when you see the rubric where your grade's at, and it says you made some mistakes, check on the side, and you can see where I made my comments about the mistake there. So check that. The extra credit, I was not kind of surprised, a little shocked. I have 2 305 classes. And in one 305 class, only 4 people took advantage of the extra credit, all 3 questions. And in the other 305 class, only 1 person answered one of the 3 questions. So be on the lookout for those. That's going to be your only way to earn extra credit in this class. And I usually do it the first 4 or 5 weeks of class, but I don't give it later on. So keep an eye out, like you noticed today, that they're not there. So you have to check in every day, see if you have it now, 3 or 4, and it even tells you in the poll questions where to go find the answers, either in the lectures or in the textbook or in the course notes or anything like that. Some of that, maybe the outside reading, sometimes I'll have a question there. So be on the lookout for that. I think that's about it for now. Sorry about the problem with the Connect composition writing matters. We should get that straightened out shortly, hopefully. And as you'll see as the semester goes on, that's going to be a very useful tool, not only now, but later on as well. Talk to you later.